What's going on, people? This is Influence, back with it. Unboxing video, the S9 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. First, before we get into that, I got these mints, Vita Energy mints. This video is sponsored by them. I will have a link in the description as to where you can get these. Basically, they have caffeine in them, and they're mints. So you can take a mint, 40 milligrams of caffeine per mint. So take a couple mints, it's like drinking a cup of coffee. Alright, so you might want to check them out if you haven't already. Pretty good mints. So anyway, let's get into this unboxing video. Alright, let me put them over there, because I've been excited about this. I got the coral blue. So I'm hoping it's coral blue. Okay. Get my knife here. Sorry about that. Just want to cut. The. So, as usual, probably the same unboxing experience as some other phones. Samsung Galaxy. SIM ejection tool. Books. And there we go. Let me raise the camera. Alright, I'm back. Wanted to raise the camera so you can get more of an overhead view. Okay. So, here's the... I did get the coral blue, which it kind of looks like it changes color. I don't know. I don't know what people can do with that, so I usually cover up my things. Ooh-wee. It's fresh out the box. Fresh out the box. So you see that dual camera. So let me take this sticker off. Like I said, I don't know what people can do with those numbers these days, because people are resourceful. So here's the phone in hand. It's a sexy beast. Kind of looks like color shift. I got fingerprints already, so well, I don't know. I think that's residue. I'm gonna have to clean that off. Yeah, I think that's residue from the stickers, but I'm sure it's a fingerprint magnet. I didn't get the black just because everybody I've seen had the black. So, let's see what else is in this box. Got that, we got these. We got the SIM card. Don't know if I might just switch my SIM cards. Charging brick, and the USB connector. Sure, USB-C. Okay, my light just went off. I don't know, it might be a little better. Anything else? Here we go. We got the AKG branded headphones. They're tuned AKG. I don't know if they're AKG. I mean, I think Samsung bought the company, so what's the difference? USB-C cord, and I'm sure these are ear tips. So that's what you get in a box. That's it. So show the phone one last time. Yeah, Bixby button. We hear so much about that. But yeah, this is the blue. So without the front light on. Alright, so get up with you. Push.
Hip hop, I feel I gotta say, who am I? You might say influence, and I spit better than most in this game.